as a separate library. And so he's going to be putting that on his to-do list next.
Okay, thanks.
Originally, Vincent, I wasn't going to record. I thought it would be a shorter meeting today, but I guess we have a little bit to talk about. We also talked about the fact that the Usha from Intel would go ahead and check out the P4 DPDK and get an update to us. Yeah. And then Paul, since you're new, maybe I wanted to show you this. Let me pull it over here. So what we're talking about here is in pipeline and behavioral model. Here there's the SAI folder and there's the BMV2 folder, and so BMV2 actually generates the SAI for us. I hope I have this right, guys. And so there's the code work that's done there, and then you'll get the SAI. And here is the README part where they talk about the P4 model, and here's pretty much our known issues and gaps area too. And so basically sometimes the tests that are written aren't always able to run in BMV2. So we have a few, if you go to the issues and PRs section here, we can always look at those, but I think I'm summarizing that correctly, right, Chris, the gaps that we've been looking at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and so it's been written up pretty well here. So I'll go around the room. Morali, did you have anything for today?
No, I'm good.
Okay, I feel like we had a pretty big meeting yesterday. Ashutosh, did you have anything?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
Okay, and we talked a lot, but yesterday I opened those 2 PRs for, I mean, not that it has to do with BMV2, but just letting you know, I opened those 2 PRs about what we talked about yesterday for insertion of content into the documentation.
Yep, thanks for that.
Yeah, no problem. And then Marian Shai, did you have anything today?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
All right. And we talked about yesterday, even though we're removing the ACL tagging from the P4 code, which was great, we may or may not keep it in the documentation. I'm looking at that. So yeah, so that's where we can land for today. I don't have...
ACL tags are left in the documentation relevant to Sonic Design because Sonic still will have support for tags from the control plane.
Okie doke. So let me just make a note to myself.
Yeah, that's part of the problem. It's not a problem, but it's confusing in the documentation. Like the HLD doc, I believe, is the upper layer way above libsai. So we describe what somewhat we should be doing, but sometimes it's not. Like I think tag might be an example. From an outsider, it's always been confusing to me. Like what defines clearly what we should be doing at the libsai down versus what gets done on the northbound API. Maybe it's just me. I don't know.
Well, I can try to fix it, Vincent, and I can do PRs or suggestions and have you review them and see if it makes it more helpful.
Right. I mean, I guess the ACL tag in the documentation can stay as long as we state somewhere that this doesn't trickle down as opposed to libsai, I guess, right? Like it's not even optional. It's just the orchestrator, I guess, expands or does whatever it needs to do, right?
Got it. Okay, great. So thanks, Marian, for the feedback there. Did you guys have anything else for today? The reason I'm rushing a little bit is we're right in the middle of semester planning as well. So it seems like we're all triple booked this week, but I did want to touch base with you guys. So if there's nothing else, I can let you have time back. Is that okay with you guys?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And yeah, so we'll look for Ashutosh, the update from Usha if you can get it, and I'll see you guys later.
Thank you, Kristina.
I'll stop recording. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
Happy
Bye.
planning.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Bye.